Okay, so we are going to be making some bone broth today. This comes from a book called Nourishing Traditions by Sally Fallon. There is two different versions she has in here. One is a milk-based, so that we use just raw cow's milk. You can use goat milk. There's also a broth-based version. That's the one that I'm going to be making. I don't think my baby handles the raw dairy very well. It has to be cultured. So the broth-based calls for whey, and this comes from kefir, which is a cultured milk. But I think he does okay with that. It also calls for lactose, but I'm actually gonna be leaving that one out of this just because I think lactose might be giving him some problems. So let me show you how we do it. So the hardest part of making this homemade formula is sourcing the products. So there are a few products like whey that either need to be homemade, well, they need to be homemade, or they don't come in like a regular grocery store. You have to find farms that carry them. So for example, we are using these Plum Creek Farms chicken livers. We're gonna cook these in a broth and then puree it. Livers are super, super nutrient dense, and it'll provide a lot of nutrition for your baby. It's gonna be a hard time finding liver, but usually you can go to a farm that does livestock or poultry and buy them for sale there. So they have them for sale there. So you just have to source. You can look through Facebook Marketplace. You can find some farms that that sell locally and call them. See if they don't have anything like that. See if they know any farms that might. That's how I've done. I found a lot of my chicken livers and things like that, raw milk too, that if I'm in a new place. So you can try that. And then let's see. This is chicken broth that I made myself. It's actually turkey broth, but you can use chicken broth, you can use beef broth. This is turkey broth that I made myself using bones from our leftover turkey dinner. It does call for homemade beef or chicken broth in the recipe. There are some good options that you can buy store-bought. I think homemade is probably gonna be better, just because you'll get more of the collagen from that, but you can, like, I know that Fire and Kettle is a good brand for broth. The rest of this stuff I got from Amazon. Sunflower oil, it's a high quality sunflower oil. I'm using Pure Radiant C, which is a vitamin C extracted from berries instead of the acerola powder. This is a bifodobacterium probiotic. This is their high vitamin butter oil. And then a really high quality coconut oil. And all of those can be purchased on Amazon or on their website that they offer here. That's Pure Radiance, I think is what it's called. I've got my chicken broth on to boil right here while I measure out my chicken livers.